Global Resources, along with ADC, made capital investments in their cab production facilities, give us the ability to put more business out the door, as well as refining some of the processes that we were already into. So what we did is we took this Zinzer Street address and we made it our welding facility.
The new laser is a 6 by 12 bed, which increases the size of the parts that we can cut. Speed is doubled, so the cut speeds are doubled. We've got more improved capability to run night runs so that we can make use of the laser more hours of the day. It's got a dual table sheet handling capability so we can offload more parts. We added a small but very capable press brake. Probably didn't double our capacity, but another 75%, being that it's got a very small footprint. In the new building, we put a much larger paint booth in, an 18 by 30 by 16 high paint booth. We also added a second cure oven, and then we converted our old wet paint booth to a dry paint booth. So now we have 2 powder booths that we can powder in as well. So it's really improved our throughput in paint. All in all, we've probably doubled our capacity with all the improvements. The laser has the capability of cutting with nitrogen, which improves edge quality. The larger booths make it easier to handle the cabs and manipulate them while you're painting, so it makes it safer.
ADC has made the capital investments in the company to allow us to see that future and what we can potentially put out of these 2 buildings as far as finished cabs go.